Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how I painted this beautiful sunset by the lake painting. And I'm using Magnani Italia DS watercolor paper. I have shown it in my recent art haul and I will link the video somewhere on the screen, so if you're curious you can check it out. Anyway, I started with wetting the paper, and what I've noticed right away is that it didn't absorb the water that well. It was actually quite peculiar because I could see the drops of water on the paper. It was really weird. And what you just saw right now on the screen, sometimes when I was putting on the color, some places on the paper would just stay white. It was really peculiar, and to be honest, for this type of painting it wasn't the best paper because it was really difficult to make this first layer. Anyway, I started by applying yellow in the middle, approximately where my horizon line is and where the sun would be going down. And then I added some rose, which in my case was quinacridone rose from White Nights, and then I added some Perylene Violet from Schminke in the corners. And then I let the first layer dry, and from my point of view it wasn't intense enough, so I wet the paper once again and started applying the second layer. And I would like to say here that I have actually applied quite lots of paint. I just didn't want you to watch me using the same color and going over again and again, so I cut out some of the pieces, but it was lots of paint, just believe me. My only goal at this stage was to build up the color and to make sure that the future sky and the future lake are kind of a reflection of each other so that it would look more or less natural. And then I kept building up the color till I was satisfied with the result. When the second layer dried, I started adding the details. For all the details in this painting, I only used Perylene Violet. Considering that this is quite self-explanatory, I will not bore you anymore with my rambling, and I will just turn up the music and let you enjoy the video. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please subscribe and like it so that more people could see it. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye!